Hey guys, this is Chris Dominguez back with another sponsored ndau Enlightened video. In today's video, we go over step number 4 in getting started with the ndau NFT Forge, which is setting up your Shopify store. ndau is the world's first adaptive digital currency. As a new category of digital asset, ndau is optimized for your long-term store of value with staking rewards and the goal of buoyancy. ndau provides all the benefits of a digital currency while promoting fair and accountable governance, dependability, and greater safety not found in existing cryptocurrencies. ndau is supported by a decentralized ecosystem designed with built-in economic structures that incentivize both stability and potential for growth. Simply holding ndau in the ndau Wallet app allows you to earn additional ndau through ecosystem alignment incentives, as well as a bonus for locking your ndau. For example, you could be earning up to 25% ndau on a 3-year locked account in your wallet app. For more information, go to the ndau.io website. In today's video, we are going to review how to set up your Shopify store. You'll be selling your NFTs on Shopify, so naturally, you'll need to have a Shopify store. If you already have a Shopify store, you can go ahead and skip this step entirely and proceed to step 5, connecting your ndau NFT Forge with your Shopify store. For everyone else, in this Shopify tutorial, we will show you everything you need to know how to build a Shopify store from start to finish. The full-length article, video with timestamps will be linked in the description of this video. It is important that you give this informational video and resources provided the time that they deserve. This is not just where you will sell your NFTs, but it will be a reflection of your personal brand or business. Shopify is a commerce platform that allows anyone to set up an online store and sell their products. It's the leading commerce platform designed for a business of any size. Whether you're selling online, social media, or in person, Shopify has you covered on every base. With Shopify, you can sell physical and digital products such as NFTs using the ndau NFT Forge. So, wondering how to set up a Shopify store? In this Shopify tutorial for beginners, we will take you through step by step on how to create a Shopify store. By the end of this video, you will be ready to launch your new business in no time. A little bit on Shopify pricing. Shopify offers multiple options from basic at $29 a month all the way to advanced at $299 a month. You can get started with a free 14-day trial to see which plan works best for you, but be ready and willing to invest the money needed to keep your store active beyond your free trial so your customers can continue to shop your store. Now that I've given you a preview of how to set up your Shopify store, go on to the link in the description below to learn from Michelle Bali, a creative strategist from Shopify. She covers everything from choosing a store theme, domains, adding products, SEO, and more. In my upcoming videos, we will continue to go through step by step how to get started with the ndau NFT Forge. If you'd like more information, go to the ndau.io website, as well as like and subscribe for another weekly ndau Enlightened video. If you haven't done so already, download the most updated version of the ndau wallet and write a review. Please note, I'm not a financial advisor, and this video is for informational purposes only. Have a great day and keep stacking ndau.